It's always exciting and emotional when your career comes to an end, and that's what we had here on Tuesday as Sebastien Le Toux would announce his retirement as a member of the Philadelphia Union here at Talen Energy Stadium in Chester, PA. Sebastien Le Toux would discuss retiring as a member of the Philadelphia Union.
I was not expecting this at all. It's just like a little bit emotional. I don't think I'll get to cry, I guess, a little bit right now. I want to say thank you very much to the Philadelphia Union, the organization, for following this for me. It's very nice. I'm very proud to finish my career as a football player. Sorry. It's very hard. Anyway, I'm just very proud to finish here. I'm very happy to have some players who just came, and I was not expecting this to be here. And sorry, thank you. Just like Philadelphia Union is a team. I got great success. I went to lots of down and up with this team, and I really enjoy every moment I have here. And it's really the team I have in my heart, and I'm very proud to finish my career here. So just thank you very much to all of you, to all the fans, to all the great messages I had on social media, and following the call and text message yesterday and today. I'm beyond, happy, and I'm just very thankful for the opportunity I had here, and great coaches had. Without any of them, anything would be possible for me. So thank you very much, and it's a very proud day for me today. I'm looking forward for the 23rd. I can't imagine what it's going to be, but I'm very proud to be the first player to be inducted to the Ring of Honor after the day.
Sebastien Le Toux would make it official as he signs a one-day contract to retire as a member of the Philadelphia Union. And there you have it. Sebastien Le Toux officially retires as a member of the Philadelphia Union, and on June 23rd, he'll be inducted into the inaugural Philadelphia Union Ring of Honor. Reporting live from Talen Energy Stadium here in Chester, PA, I'm David Melandra.